Today I'm going to unbox and review this Blaupunkt BE 50 Neckband Bluetooth earphone. Welcome to my channel, this is Ashutosh Nirmal, and if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First check box details. Here's earphone picture with model name. This is IPX5 certified, so it's sweatproof. That means you can use it in gym or while running also. Here are some other features. It's priced at 2,999, but you can get this under 1,400. Let's open this. Here's the earphone. Let's keep it aside and see what else in the box. Here's large and small ear tips, medium one on the earphone. Here's instruction manual. You should read it to know all the functions. Here's micro USB to USB charging cable. And here is the earphone. It's very light in weight. It comes in soft rubbery flat design which is quite flexible. Here wires are also in flat design. Here it is angled to provide perfect fit. Here are the plus minus button and multifunction button with the indicator light and microphone. On the side we have charging port. Here are the left and right symbol. Press this middle button for 3 seconds and it will start. Light will start blinking in red and blue color. That means it's ready for pairing. Here you can see Blaupunkt BE. Let's connect it. Now it's connected. Light will stop blinking. Ear tips fit in ears perfectly and it won't fall off even if you are running or in the gym. While running, all the neckband causes some discomfort as it bouncing on the neck all the time, but you can use it in the gym without any problems, and as it's IPX sweatproof design, you can use it in the gym without any worries. You can leave the ear tips and they magnetically attached each other, but there's no extra function of magnetic ear tips. They don't pause the music or do anything else, but at this price point we shouldn't complain about this. It comes with noise cancellation, it works good. You won't hear any outside noise while listening to music. Now comes to the sound quality. Sound quality is very good. It's quite loud, but bass in this earphone is quite average. It's not very punchy, it's just average. So if you are very heavy bass lover, you might not like this one. Battery life of this earphone is very good for the price. You will easily get up to 12 hours of battery backup at 80% volume, and charging time is very good too. It just takes 2 hours to fully charge the earphone. So if you want to buy a sweat resistant neckband earphone with clear and loud sound and long battery backup, you can go for this one. But if you are into very heavy bass, you have other options in this price point. If you want to buy this, I'll leave my affiliate links in the description. If you buy from that link, that will definitely help me to make more videos like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.